we prepared for you a full tutorial for the 48.2 straight cut short-sleeved blouse with breast pockets.
First, cut the pieces of the sewing pattern on the marked grain line as follows: front and back, the collar pieces, sleeves, pocket flaps and the pocket pieces. Close the shoulder darts in the back according to the notches. This works best when marking your end point of the dart with a pin and putting little slits at the other end points with a sharp pair of scissors. Secure the ends. By securing the threads on the insides with a knot, your dart seam will hold longer. Iron to the outside towards the armhole. Now to the front piece. Close the darts at the front according to the notches. Again, knot the threads on the inside for a longer stay of those darts. Iron downwards.